Hi everyone, today's video is going to be on an unboxing and a review of a roasting pan that I bought. I always wanted to get a good one. I had cheap ones. They don't hold up, so I decided to buy one. I got it off of Amazon. I don't give out prices because prices could vary, and then you'll get comments of, oh, I can get it for less. Oh, you can't buy it for that. So that's why I don't give out pricing on any product that I buy. Do your own research, do a web search for the best price that you can get. Usually I find Amazon is pretty good on their prices. I bought this. It's a Cook Standard, and it's a stainless steel roasting rack. It comes with a stainless steel rack too. I didn't buy non-stick. I don't really care for non-stick products. Eventually they don't hold up. I like stainless steel. This has some weight to it. It's a pretty heavy design. I'm gonna take it out of the box. Now, I've already taken this out of the box previously because I wanted to take a look at it. And it came well packed. This box was inside another box when I received it from Amazon when it was shipped. It comes with a little directions here, what type of cooking you can do with it. Okay, now from what I read here, you cannot use this with an induction cooktop, so you can't use it for induction cooking. I don't have to worry about that because I don't have an induction cooking. So we'll take the plastic off, and it comes where oh wait a minute, this comes out first. And it's well made. It's heavy for a rack. My last one, it was terrible, the weight and everything. That was non-stick, but what happened was the non-stick coating came off. It started to rust. The same way with the pan itself. It was a steel pan, and that began to rust. It has rivets, 2 rivets on each side of the handle. 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, so that's good. Now it does have some space in between the handle, which I can see that may be very hard. The food particles could get in there. So just be careful when you handle this. The handles are in a good position, and what I have to do is I'm going to rinse this off. Now for cleaning this, you wash it and everything. In the bottom has the type of burners that you can use with it. You can use gas, you can use the electric coil, things like that. It's dishwasher safe, so you can put this in the dishwasher. It is kind of large to be putting in a dishwasher, and I don't have a dishwasher machine because my wife and I are the dishwashers. Okay, so we do everything by hand here. We have a small kitchen. When I had my house in New York, I had a dishwasher machine. I'm going to wash this up. I'm going to prepare a chicken today to test it out in the oven. So I'm going to pause this, get the chicken ready, and put it on top. Hello, and I tested out the pan. I made a chicken, and it looks like it did well. I'll be doing a, after we eat, I'll also be doing cleanup on it to tell you how it works, whether it's good for cleanup. But what I like about this pan is that, say you want to do a gravy or whatever, you could do it directly in the pan. You can take your bird out, take the rack out. You can deglaze your pan and make a gravy if you want. Let me get this plated and everything, and that's it. Hi everyone, and we're back to the review of the roasting pan. What I'm going to do now is take it off the rack and put it on the side. So I take it off. Now it didn't stick to the rack, which is a good thing. I had problems with my other roasted pan with the rack. It used to stick to the rack. This is very good. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to be doing a cleaning of the roasting pan to see how hard it is to clean. Oh, just one other thing about this roasting pan. Be very careful. The chicken has been sitting on the side for 15 minutes. The handles here, the handles are still very warm. About 5 minutes ago, you couldn't even really hold your fingers on them. It was still too hot to handle. So it does retain the heat for a long time. Okay, final thoughts on the roasting pan that I received. It was easy cleanup. Okay, this was after it was used. You let it soak with some soapy water, and then you clean it up, no problem. Now, of course, from normal use and everything like that, it will get scratched up and everything if you use metal utensils, or you use, say you do have something that's baked on, you gotta have to use. I always recommend using a stainless, not stainless steel, but a steel wool pad, such as SOS or Brillo, something like that. It gets 5 stars in my book. This I'll find out for Thanksgiving when I use it, and when I use it again. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.